This is the question given in one of the online test series. Okay, whatever they have given option was right only, but the explanation was wrong. Okay, so in this question, the rotor of an induction motor is rewound with twice as many number of turns of conductors and half cross-sectional area of copper. What happens to maximum torque? Assume stator impedance is negligible. Okay, so there are two things here. First of all, it is maximum torque. Okay, so the moment number of turns are doubled, for example, inductance is directly proportional number of turns square. Okay, so leakage is directly proportional number of turns square. If number of turns are doubled, my leakage will be increased by 4 times. Okay, in the like the explanation, they said that leakage will be constant, which is wrong actually. Okay, now after that, what about the area of cross section of the copper? Area of cross section of the copper is reduced by half, they said. Okay, if area of cross section of the copper is reduced, automatically resistance of the winding will be increased, but it's none of our business. Why? Because magnitude of maximum torque will be decided by only leakage. Magnitude of maximum torque is independent of rotor resistance, but slip at which maximum torque occurs will be decided by rotor resistance. So rotor resistance part need not be bothered. Okay, now what about the maximum torque? TEM equal to m by omega s into E2 by 2x2, E2 square by 2x2. Okay, now if you see my rotor induced voltage, okay, so for the same stator flux, if rotor number of turns are doubled, automatically rotor induced voltage will be doubled because number of turns are increased. Okay, EMF pattern in stator and rotor will be same, so my E2 is going to be doubled, means that E2 square will be increased by 4 times. X2 is increased by 4 times. So magnitude of maximum torque will be constant. So answer is this only. But in the explanation, they have given leakage is constant. Okay, leakage is constant, so that's why maximum torque is constant, which is wrong. Leakage will be increased by 4 times and rotor standstill induced voltage will be double, so E2 square will be 4 times, so 4 will get cancelled. Magnitude of maximum torque is going to be constant only.